everyone, my name is Blanca Hernandez and I am a second-year medical student at the Paul Foster School of Medicine in El Paso. In this video, I will show you an easy no-sew technique to make your own face mask using a bandana. This mask is not only reusable, but it's easy to wash. However, I do want to emphasize that this mask is not as effective as the masks reserved for health professionals, but they do provide a good alternative to slow the spread of COVID-19. To make this mask, you will need a bandana, 2 hair ties, or you can also use 2 elastic rubber bands. And this last part is optional, but it does help increase the layers of your mask to increase filtration. You can use dryer sheets, like I will be using today, Kleenex, coffee filters, or HEPA filters. To make this mask, you're going to go ahead and take your bandana and fold it in half, just like that. You'll go ahead and take any extra filter that you chose, in my case, a dryer sheet, and you'll go ahead and place it in the middle of your mask. You can go ahead and take the bottom half closest to you and fold it in about 1/3 of the way from the top. You'll take the edge furthest away from you and fold it over so that it just overlaps the bottom half. You'll go ahead and take your 2 hair ties or rubber bands and bring them in around the edges. I like to bring them in about 4 to 5 inches from the edge. You'll go ahead and take your ends and fold them in just like this. And you'll take one of the ends and find the middle. Go ahead and take the other end and tuck it in. Now that you've finished folding your mask, it's time to go ahead and wear it. Before you put it on though, make sure that the hair ties you chose are not too tight, especially if you're going to be wearing your mask for a long time. You want to make sure that the hair ties or rubber bands feel comfortable around your ears. So you can go ahead and take your mask, put it on your face, and loop the hair ties around your ears. Make sure you go ahead and adjust your mask so that your nose and mouth are completely covered. And just like that, you're finished. Thanks for watching!